Hey everyone, I'm going to be looking at doing a little bit of pre-event massage for the lower back and the gluteal area. And you know, like any of these areas in terms of pre-event massage, it's all about encompassing as much of the area as we can, keeping the tempo up and getting a broader contact as we can. We're going to use a variety of techniques, and first we're going to start off with the pre-max lotion just to get ourselves a little bit of a base. Okay, so we're going to work sort of all the way up. We're going to come literally up and over the thoracolumbar area. Okay, so I'm just going to work one side, and then obviously I can swip over and do the other side when I'm doing this generally. So let's say we're going over the gluteal, come up over the iliac crest, and then bring over the top of that sort of thoracolumbar and back over again. So that's sort of the sequence we want to start with. So just once again, keeping the contact as broad as possible. Okay, so once we've got a really good base on there of the lotion first, then we can sort of introduce some of the actual warm-up cream itself. So I usually use just a pump and a bit, okay, because once again, it's a fairly large area and we want to cover that as much as we can. So, all right, so you've got a really fleshy area through here on the glute, so you can dig down a little bit deeper, but be mindful that you're going to use the iliac crest as your sort of your bony landmark to come over, and then over the top of that erectus spinae thoracolumbar area. So just like it's almost like a little bit of a figure eight in some respects. And you can do this for both sides. The beauty of this is that you're just using your body weight, so you're rocking forward and then bringing it back like so, and you're encompassing that whole thoracolumbar and gluteal area as well. Now, if I want to change it up a little bit, and usually I do, let's say we're going to come over to the right glute now. Once again, a little bit of massage lotion. Okay, get that broad contact there. Okay, once we've got that, then let's bring a little bit of warm-up cream. And then what we're going to do is going to pick the leg up, and we're going to use a loose fist, and we're going to work through that gluteal area. So we're going to be a little bit more specific with that. So we're just going to work literally right down, bring the leg in and across like so. All right, so we're not digging in, that's a really loose fist. Okay, so we're just picking up the bulk of the gluteal musculature, and we're just going to be a little bit lateral to the sacrum border through there. Okay, so just across, down, and then once again using our body weight like so, and it's almost like a circular fashion, working down and across, and try not to dig in. What we can also do as well, just bring the leg in a little bit of rotation there as well, and then we can pick up a really, once again, a broad forearm and work through that area as well, just like so. All right, so be mindful that we're not going to push heavy over that iliac crest. It's more about sinking into that gluteal area as well. Okay, and you can also come up and sort of just pick over those thoracolumbar, gluteal, back over, and vice versa. Okay. So just watch that pressure, keep the tempo up, encompass as much areas as you can, move the limbs around if you can, try and engage. And with the combination of that massage lotion and the warm-up cream, should be a perfect combination. Pre-event massage for the lower back and gluteals.